German Shepherds, a look into their agility and sports training. German Shepherds are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world, and for good reason. Not only are they great family dogs, but they also excel in various activities and sports. One of the key traits that make German Shepherds so successful in agility and sports training is their remarkable intelligence. These dogs are highly trainable and are quick to pick up new commands and tricks. This makes them ideal candidates for agility competitions, where they have to navigate through obstacle courses in a set amount of time. Their ability to learn and retain information quickly allows them to excel in these events. In addition to their intelligence, German Shepherds also possess an incredible level of agility. They are able to move swiftly and gracefully, making them highly capable of performing jumps, climbs, and other complex maneuvers. This natural athleticism is further enhanced through proper training and conditioning. With the right approach and techniques, German Shepherds can reach their full potential and become top competitors in various sports. When it comes to sports training, consistency and positive reinforcement are key. German Shepherds thrive on structure and routine, so it's important to establish a training schedule and stick to it. Regular practice sessions not only help build their physical strength and endurance, but also strengthen the bond between the dog and their handler. To ensure the success of your German Shepherd in sports training, it's essential to start at a young age. Puppies should be introduced to basic obedience training as early as possible. This lays the foundation for more advanced training later on. Starting early also allows the dog to develop good habits and prevents the formation of bad behaviors. It's important to note that German Shepherds are working dogs at heart. They have a strong desire to please their owners and are always looking for a job to do. Engaging them in sports and agility training provides them with the mental and physical stimulation they need. Without proper outlets for their energy, German Shepherds can become bored and destructive. When training your German Shepherd for agility and sports, it's crucial to focus on positive reinforcement. These dogs respond best to rewards and praise rather than harsh punishments. Treats, toys, and verbal praise are all effective ways to motivate and encourage your dog during training sessions. Remember to be patient and consistent, as it may take time for your German Shepherd to master certain skills. In addition to agility competitions, German Shepherds also excel in other sports such as obedience trials, tracking, and protection work. Their versatility allows them to adapt to various training styles and activities. This makes them highly sought after for tasks such as search and rescue, police work, and even service dog roles. In conclusion, German Shepherds are not only beloved family pets, but also incredibly talented athletes. Their intelligence, agility, and versatility make them ideal candidates for agility and sports training. With the right approach, consistency, and positive reinforcement, German Shepherds can reach their full potential and thrive in various competitions and activities. So, if you're looking for a dog breed that excels in both intelligence and athleticism, look no further than the German Shepherd. Physical stimulation, establishing a consistent routine, and seeking professional guidance if needed, you can help your German Shepherd overcome their separation anxiety and live a more relaxed and fulfilled life. Remember, a happy German Shepherd is a well-balanced one.